Welcome YouTubers to Author Tech's OnePlus 6T unboxing video. This is going to be my final unboxing video of 2018. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get this started. So I did get a free carbon fiber protective case. I'm not sure if any of you guys are digging this. I actually prefer the nylon case, so I'm gonna just keep this to the side. The OnePlus 6T, the phone that I've been trying to get since the keynote event back in October. And I gotta thank all the hardworking people who actually made this phone possible. And you guys actually have this relationship between the fans. It's a collection of individuals possessed of a tremendous understanding and superior taste in the finest technology. What's most important is that they are a part of what we do, and that includes you. This company does a really damn good job of making you feel wanted and making you feel like, you know, you're of value to the company. Something that, Samsung, Apple, and all the other top dogs pretty much failed to do. It even says so in the box. You guys love your fans. I feel that. I went to the keynote event. I felt that. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed real quick. Start at the top real quick. Here we go. So we have a nice little slit. Let's see what we got. This is the OnePlus 6T. Nice little wax paper, pretty good material as usual. Oh, here we go. Let's see what we got. All right, nice. Let's see. So screen is pretty much flawless. To maximize the performance of our in-display fingerprint sensor, we recommend using screen protectors from OnePlus and our official partners. Now, I haven't seen any other official partners creating tempered glass screen protectors for OnePlus, but they do have the OnePlus official screen protector online for about 20 bucks, which I think is a bit pricey, but I guess you gotta make money somehow, right? So let's put this to the side. Over here, invitation letter. Now, when it comes to presentation, OnePlus does not let me down. Like, look how beautiful this is. Well, this is a pretty big power brick. Whoa, this is huge. You guys seeing this? It's pretty. Wow, let me just compare the Apple power brick with this. So here we have the official Apple power brick, and this is the OnePlus. I guess it has the quick charge, or I forgot what it's called. So wow, this is huge. It's about almost more than double the size. Okay, so I'll put this back in the box. So we do have our nice little red charging cable, and we do have the dongle. Yep, OnePlus did take away the headphone port. I guess they're moving towards the future. I know fans really didn't want that to be removed, and I know OnePlus is, they got a lot of heat for that, but I'm sure they had their reasons. So let's put this off to the side. Okay, NFC sensor is located at the center of the dual camera hub. Notice, place your SIM in the SIM card tray, then blah blah blah. Do not attempt to disable the back cover. Okay, actually, let me go ahead and just see what else we get inside the box, in case I forget to see what we have. Okay, so I guess, oh, here we go. So we get our free case. It's a clear case. We get our instruction guide. I wonder if there's a SIM kit tool in here. There's no SIM kit tools. Oh, here we go. I was about to say. And we get some stickers. Alright, so we have some stickers. I guess it's like a little smiley face. Now the thing about this company is that when it comes to just the presentation, the overall presentation, they are hands down the best company when it comes to this. Without a doubt, with no questions, this is the best company when it comes to presentations. And let's see what this is. Unlock the speed. It's like a poster or something. Okay, as for this case, let's see what we got. We have a QR code over here. So basically it's a clear TPU case. Yeah, so you have your little micro dots in the back, so when you put it on, there's no air pockets. And we do have a little smoky grayish coloring around the sides. So as for a free case, it seems to be in pretty good condition. Well, pretty good quality. Okay, so far, check it out. Gorgeous, reflective, smooth, no scratches. It actually looks pretty sexy. Alright, now for the phone, let's go ahead and check it out. As for the back, we have dual cameras, the telephoto and the primary. We do have a camera flash on the back, and we have the iconic OnePlus logo. Now on the bottom, it says designed by OnePlus, and we have that clear black pure black finish. It has a reflective design. It's pure glass. Let's see on the sides. We do have a switch. I believe it's this is actually the first device I've ever had, well, Android device that actually has a notification switch. So that's going to be pretty cool. We do have the power button. This is on the right. And as for the left side, we have our dual SIM card slots right over here. And over here we have our volume rockers. And there seems to be like a little stripe pattern over here in between the dual SIM card tray. And that's about it. Now as for the bottom, you do have your speaker grills on both sides and your USB Type-C port right over there. And as for the top, there is no headphone jack, but we do have a little microphone port, and that's about it. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. And as for the front, you do have a screen protector pre-installed, which is pretty cool. You do have your selfie camera right over here and your little teardrop notch. And I think, yep, that's about it. It's pretty much, there's the bezels are pretty small, pretty thin all around. So we're pretty much close to a phone that's almost bezel-less. So we have the built-in fingerprint reader. Now all we gotta do is find a way to hide that selfie camera. To be honest, I don't really care about the having a bezel-less phone. I actually feel like manufacturers should be focused on adding more technology, useful technology that would actually help us in our daily lives. In my opinion, I think the notch is just a gimmick. We don't really need it. It's not necessary. There's nothing wrong having a phone like the Galaxy S9. I mean, you don't really need a notch. I mean, what's the point of having a notch? I don't think there's a reason of having a notch. So let me just put that to the side. But for this phone, okay, this phone feels pretty light. I have my Galaxy S9 over here, and this feels a little bit more heavier, even though the screen is a bit smaller. And it's very thin. It's impressive. I mean, for a big phone like this, I would expect it to have a lot more weight. So even with the case on, it's very light. Let's see. Yeah, even with the case, it feels very firm. It feels very light. It doesn't feel cheap, don't get me wrong. I mean, compare this to an iPhone or a Pixel. Let me see. I'm not exactly sure if it's because of the weight distribution and because of the size, but this does feel a lot thinner and lighter than all my other phones. Now, based on what I've heard, a lot of people have complained that the fingerprint reader isn't that fast. So let's go ahead and test it out. Okay, that's pretty quick. Let's try that again. Okay, that took a little bit longer. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. When I first tried this out, the fingerprint reader was a bit slow and it wasn't really registering my fingerprints. So I actually ran my thumb on this phone twice. Now, once it registers your fingerprint once, it doesn't really allow you to, use that same fingerprint. So I tried using my thumb in different angles, and so far it's been working a little bit better. And you gotta make sure that your thumb is directly over it. Okay, so I'll say this. The fingerprint reader on the OnePlus 6 was pretty much almost instantaneous, and the one for this is pretty much a step back in terms of speed. But if you're coming from a phone like the Galaxy S9, okay, that's pretty quick. If you want to compare this with a Pixel, with the Pixel, the problem isn't the speed of the fingerprint reader. The problem is that once you put your thumb here, the system itself shoots out a bright light so it could identify your fingerprints using a camera inside. And that light, it gets pretty bright. It kind of hurts your eyes a little bit. Okay, so there's been articles online stating that the fingerprint reader gets better over time. The more you use it, the more it gets used to your fingerprints. Overall, the phone, it's pretty snappy. It's pretty awesome. The build quality seems excellent. OnePlus, great brand. So that's pretty much it for this unboxing video. Let me know what you guys think on the comment section below. Do you dig it? Do you plan on getting one? Do you have any questions? Do you have any comments? Please hit me up below. I love answering questions, so go ahead, ask away. This is AlterTech signing out. Hope you guys have a great day. Now, as for the camera test, we'll be doing a camera test with this low light 4K cinematic video test. I'll also try and do that. So this is AlterTech signing out. Hope you guys have a great and wonderful day. Peace.